Cooking for Gamers with Chef Nathan, Miles, and him being cool.
What up, my dark knights, my dames, my chefs, my chefettes, all of you from both channels. What up? How you doing today? It's your Tai Chi JDK, a Dark Knight here. Okay, so we're gonna make some French toast today. Yeah, easy French toast. You know, we got that stuff ready to make it. Get it? We have the egg there, just 2 eggs ready to go. Got the bread over there, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg over there with the milk, the pot ready, and all that stuff ready, right? So the pretty quick make, it's quite easy, to be honest. It's just French toast, so anybody can make it. That's why it's going to be on both channels, as like the poutine was and the fries. Stuff that are pretty easy to make for everybody will be on both channels. So stuff that is a little extensive will be on the Real Cooking and Baking Nights channel. Stuff that is pretty easy for everybody will be on both channels. So hope you guys enjoy the cooking, the fun stuff. But I'm going to get started. Got to get the egg and mix and all that together. And then got to go about everything else. But I'm going to set you guys down. Hopefully you guys stay, you know. You stay and don't fall. But let's go about the rest. Now we're going to get some of the cinnamon, some of the vanilla in. Just get a little bit of the vanilla in there, you know, for that taste, And I get just a pinch of cinnamon, pinch or 2 of cinnamon for that good stuff, you know, because, you know, French toast, you have to have that good taste in it, you know, from the cinnamon to the nutmeg, nutmeg. I call it nutmeg. Too funny. Okay, so we have that stuff, then we got to add the milk. Now, you don't want to add too much milk because, you know, it's just for that little, like, to make it mix with the egg so it's not too eggy. So you know how, like, you mix things with an egg, you know, it will come out like an egg, like an actual egg flat. You don't want that. You want it to come out proper and nice. So I'm going to use the whisk here that we have. Whisk it up. Makes a lot of noise, you see. We gotta whisk it up nice. Get all the mixes in. All from the cinnamon to the nutmeg to the vanilla and everything there. You may want to add more milk depending on you, just whatever. But also I add some sugar because, you know, you gotta add some sugar, get that sweetness. Because other than the syrup being sweet, you want some good sweetness in this as well. So a little pinch of sugar as well. And mix that in. Because, you know, you don't want no grands. But make sure drop a like. Hit that sub. Whisk it. Put that in. Just smash it in there. You know what's good, guys. But it's going to be pretty quick because French toast does not take long. It's a quick breakfast meal. You know, you can add other stuff to it, like you can add sausage to bacon or whatever, but today is just French toast. So we're going to use some brown bread. So healthy brown bread for the French toastiums. And got to heat up the pot and go about it. But we will have the time of our lives cooking the French toast, Okay, now, let me get a plate. So we got a plate, get it ready, get it all together. And now this is a pretty quick video because, you know, just French toast does not take forever. It's just, you know, egg, milk, little bit of spices, bread, pan, fry it up, you know, it's pretty easy. So hope you guys enjoy the fun of how I do. Chit. But I'll be back when it comes to the time of the cooking, and I'll show you guys just what it looks like and how it goes. Yeah, be back. With it. I'm back. Okay, so we have the pot heated. Now we take the bread, okay? You see? You take and you want to put it on, like, I know you guys can't see. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show it. But you want to flatten, put it in, soak it basically soak it on both ends, you see? Like, you want to soak it on both ends. I know you guys can't really see it too tough, but you want to soak it so like it goes all the way through, you know? It kind of feels nasty, but it's what you want to do. You want to get all of that milk, all of that egg, all of that everything in it, and you want to make sure it's all the way through, but drip off. You want to drip off that excess because you don't want that excess gooba. And then from there you just put it in the pot. And when you put it in the pan, you just let the pan do the work. You don't want to do nothing extra. Don't want to do nothing extra. Just let the pan do the work. Because when it comes to this kind of stuff and egg and everything, kind of like that kind of thing there, the pot will do the work for you. You just gotta set it up, put it all together, and slap it in the pot. And the pot will do everything for you. You know? Let me wash my hands real quick. So I know a lot of people don't necessarily like French toast or eggs in that aspect. So when it comes down to it, there's a lot of different breakfast things you can make. A lot of ways you can go about eating in the morning, because the morning is the most important meal of the day, as it said. So make sure you at least eat something in the morning, whether it's crackers, peanut butter, just plain bread, or even chocolate. I'm just kidding. Don't eat chocolate. Don't eat chocolate, kids. That's like totally me. That's all me. Okay. Spatula ready for the but let me show you what's in here. So that's how they look, all like, all soaked and good. Right now I have a little bit of butter in there, even though it's a non-stick pot. I like my butter. Everybody likes the butter. But, we're going to have them cook up. And I will be back when it's time to flip them. And to show you guys the flipping. Flippers! Okay. Mwah. Be back. We're back again. So as I said, I'll be back to show you. Sorry, the light, yeah. We'll be back to show you guys the light. Well, I'll be back to show you guys, like, the flipping, So when it comes to like French toast, these kind of things, like I said, the pan will do the work for you. See? I just let them sit there. The pan does the work for you. See that nice and golden? That has a little bit of white in the middle because egg do these things sometimes, but it's still golden. You just gotta let it sit. Let it sit and cook. Cause as cooking goes, you don't gotta rush anything. The pot, the heater, all that all do the work for you. You just gotta know when to flip, know when to move, know when to stir. That's all. So, hope you guys enjoy the looks. And again, I'll show you guys again at the end by the time we're done. All the finishing, all the greatness of it. But love you all. Thank you so very much for the support. Remember, drop a like, hit that sub for the baking, the cooking, the gaming, all the good stuff. Hit both channels, because I'm gonna put the description up there and then the video for both channels. But hit up both channels. And if y'all love French toast, make sure you put in the comments #JDKFun and share it with your friends and family, because French toast is amazing. Okay, be back to show you guys the rest after. Mwah. As we all should know, when you eat French toast, you need powdered sugar with it. So, I had to make some powdered sugar as we don't have any powdered sugar. So just grind up some regular sugar. Powder it up! So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love my cooking, as you guys can tell. I have my amazing time being an idiot and dancing and being a fool. But that's me when I cook and when I do. But hope you guys enjoy. Here it is with the powdered sugar lot. Looks good, because you need that powdered sugar on it. You always need that powdered sugar when it comes to French toast. Yeah. But hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, drop a like, hit that sub for both channels, okay? You know? Hit that like too. Man, look at me. Look at me. Just drop a like. Hit that sub. Love y'all. Talk to y'all later. Mwah! Your Dark Knight's out of here. Peace out.
We niggas don't. That's why you see us on the hustle with the nanoscopes. Leave the spokes. That's what a ratchet do. Now he choking on a barrel like his grandma's spoon. Like his grandma's spoon. Had a homeboy choking on a barrel like his grandma's spoon.